So here we're going to learn the power rule using calculus. So let's say we're given a little expression, basic one is 3x squared, and I want to find the derivative of 3x squared. Okay. The power rule is a really quick way you can find the derivative of functions that have, there we go, a variable to a certain power. So what you're going to do here to use the power rule is that you're going to kind of take this constant and leave it on the outside, and then you're going to bring down this 2 out in front with multiplication here, times x, keeping the variable to the 2 minus 1 power. We're decreasing by 1. So from there, 2 minus 1 is just 1, and 3 times 2 is 6, and so now we're left with 6x to the first power, which we can just write as 6x. That's the basics of the power rule. It's not limited to just positive numbers, so if I want to use a power rule with a negative number, okay, a variable to the negative power. So let's just stick with the same one here, almost exactly the same. The derivative of 3x to the negative 2. The same idea happens. We bring that negative 2 down, so we have 3 times a negative 2 times x to the negative 2 minus 1 power again. So then we're left with 3 times negative 2, which is a negative 6x. And then here we have negative 2 minus 1, which is a negative 3. And then that would be our derivative. If we want to rewrite it nice and neat, it would be a negative 6 over x to the third power. And that's a basic idea of the power rule. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel below.